I started my practice back in 1986, so in May of this year I'll be practicing 40 years. As you can imagine, working for 40 years in dentistry, I've used several labs all over the country. We've been working with the Kansas City Dental Lab for about 6 months now, and we've had a really good experience with them. We have very few remakes and just top quality aesthetics as well. Their customer service is top-notch. Francois is a great manager of the lab as we know him. Our representative is Jessica, and she's fabulous as well. Always prompt with any questions that we have or any of our needs. Professionalism to us is being top-notch, being there for answering all of our questions, technical questions regarding the porcelains or the zirconia, the materials themselves. Francois has got a great amount of knowledge that he shares with us on certain cases, particularly implantology. Whether we should be using a screw-retained implant or a cementable implant, they're really pretty sharp with that kind of information. We never have any issues as far as late cases. Pretty much, we sometimes get cases early. As far as patient satisfaction, every patient they want to wait 2 weeks for their restoration. So generally, we get a crown back in about a week. That's a testament to the quality of the lab and the quality control. And so, yes, the patients are very satisfied. We do quite a few implants, most likely 30 to 40 implants per month, which is a pretty good number for general practice. But we have 4 doctors, and we all place implants, and we pretty much use Kansas City Dental Lab for the restorations with the implants. The quality is, of course, the most important part of the results that we get from the Kansas City Dental Lab. The price is pretty good too, but the quality is obviously more important to our patients. We get good, accurate fit, minor adjustments here and there, which is normal for really any restoration. But we're overall very satisfied with the results that we get from the lab. One of the biggest reasons we kind of looked at Kansas City Dental Lab is because of the aggressive pricing structure that they have. They've been very generous with us as far as discounting and relative to comparing to other labs. By far, it's quite a bit of savings we have if we look at it at the end of the year. Communication with the lab has been fabulous. Francois has always been very helpful and on the spot when we've got questions, technical questions regarding like a crown or how it would fit or how an implant might work out. My representative Jessica has been fabulous too, and she's always there for any of my calls. If I have to leave a message, I get a call back within 5 minutes or so. So communication is very, and it's very important with the lab too. Over the years, technologies have evolved in dentistry as far as technology with zirconia, technology with scanning instead of taking impressions. We do a little bit of both, and it's cool that the lab, Kansas City Dental Lab, can still work with either technique, whether it's a scanning restoration or if it's a traditional impression type of impression. And locally, I don't know of any other lab that has the capabilities that they have here at Kansas City Dental Lab. I think everybody should be using Kansas City Dental Lab. I mean, again, the quality of control that they have within the lab, the quality of product that we get from them, their customer service is fabulous. And again, the price is just out of this world. A great feat.